Hello, hello, and welcome to writing this week. So today we are going to be writing a final informational piece about weather. Now I want you guys to think back to a couple months ago, before Halloween, before we started our weather unit. I just had you write everything you knew about weather. So we're going to do the same thing today, but we've learned a lot about the weather since that day. So our target today says, I can consider what I know about weather. I will show this by writing an informational piece about what I have learned about weather. Okay, now there's a couple of words in there that I would like for us to talk about. Our first word is I can consider. Whenever I say this, I can consider, I really am asking you to think about, to look back and think about everything you know about weather. So I can think about, what I know about weather. I will show this by writing an informational piece. Now, informational means everything in there is going to be true. It's going to be true information. It has to be information that we learned together in school, or maybe it's information you've learned recently on distance learning, but it has to be true. And by piece, I'm just looking for more than a list. I don't want you to just say, I know rain is weather. I know temperature is weather. I know wind is weather. I want a piece that flows together nicely. Okay, some of us call it a paragraph. I want it to be orderly. We're not just listing words here. Okay, a true piece about what I have learned about weather. So I don't know if you could tell from the target, we are clearly writing about weather. Okay, so keep watching the videos, access your document on Google Classroom, and I can't wait to read them.